A father was ordered to pay $40,000 in legal fees in a family law case, even though the parties settled the entire case amongst themselves. Now, what happened is that the parties reached a resolution prior to the trial, but they left the issue of costs open to be decided. And the court had to figure out, even though they didn't hear any evidence or the trial, who should get costs and why. Now, the court first took and noted that costs in these circumstances are unusual, and even though the court can order costs when people come to a settlement, there should be compelling reasons to do so because there's a lot of reasons why people reach settlements and it shouldn't be a barrier to a resolution. So the court noted that there needs to be some sort of compelling reason for someone to get costs when parties reach a full settlement of the case. Now, in this case, the court found that there were compelling reasons to order costs in favor of the mother, and they were as follows. The first is that the resolution indicated that the father had to pay $150,000 in child support arrears. So the court found that as a result of him acknowledging he wasn't paying the correct amount of child support, this was a compelling reason to order costs. And the second was that in the negotiations, the father was attributing a value to one of the mother's assets of $300,000. And then eventually he attributed no value to it. And the court found that, well, they couldn't find this as bad faith. They said that approaching this asset with an unreasonable position isn't conducive to settlement and is only going to fuel the conflict. So in this case, even though the parties reached a full resolution before a trial, the court still found there were compelling reasons to order the father to pay the mother $40,000 in legal fees.